thought from you, if I can, knowing you as I do, about the way this stuff tends to go these days, the whole scrubbing from social media and all of that. Suddenly the NFL has become overrun with junior high school level behavior. What is your general take on all that?
Yeah, I guess that's the form of business, you know, saying business in quotation marks, what it is now. I mean, how a player feels. But there comes a time where in every player's career, you got to start playing hardball. And Deebo has every right because he was first team All-Pro last year, one of the best receivers in the game. So for him to fight for a contract is warranted. But it's also on the other side for the San Francisco 49ers. I say you don't trade this guy. I mean, there's no reason to fall into his demands either. Hopefully you get a contract worked out for him, but you keep him on your team because the partnership of Kyle Shanahan and with the way that he uses Deebo Samuel is unique. It's very Tyreek Hill with Andy Reid in the Chiefs-esque. I mean, that's how special it is. You don't eliminate that.
And so I guess that does beg the question, Canty, where does it go from here? Is he that same guy somewhere else? How do you see this thing playing out, Deebo and the Niners, and what does it mean?
Well, Kimberly Martin just broke the news. Like, the fact that he followed the Niners on social media means that they could be one step closer to mending fences. And, Greeny, I'll say this. There ain't too many things in this world that a bag of money can't fix. And A.J. Brown getting that deal done at the draft now sets the parameters for a Deebo Samuel contract extension. He's going to be somewhere between A.J. Brown, which is the low end, and Tyreek Hill, which is the high end. And there's no way that Deebo turns down that kind of money. I don't know that San Francisco was there at the beginning of the offseason, but Deebo taking the stance that he didn't want to be there certainly changed their mind.
Kmart, give me a quick final thought. There are not too many things a bag of money can't fix. I like that.
Well, we all can agree on that. Yeah, so John Lynch, here's what we need to know about John Lynch and Kyle Shanahan. They know how to manage personalities, and from the beginning, they made it clear to other teams and to Deebo, we want to make this work, and that's what they've said publicly, and I think we might start seeing them inch closer to that resolution, Greeny.
All right. I am following all of you on every form of social media that is available because of my appreciation. All right. Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.